How to use XM trading platform, XM broker tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and use the website more efficiently, of course, you're going to have to get yourself an account. Press on the get started option over here. If you already have an account for some reason, press on login, of course, but basically get yourself an account first. So click on open account. You can choose either a real or a demo account, but here you're gonna have to put in your personal info. Make sure it's the correct information, since eventually you're gonna need to verify yourself, and it needs to match your IDs. You're gonna go ahead and get yourself a verification as well if you're using your email. So just go ahead into your Gmail and do a little verification process. So once you go ahead and do that, you should be able to log into the website itself. So directly once you log in to your XM Trader, you're gonna be able to reach your dashboard immediately. So right here, I suppose we do have a real account, but it's pretty much empty. You can choose a demo account if you want, but it's very much recommended to go with a demo account, especially if you are a beginner. So XM is a Forex and CFD broker. It lets you trade Forex, indices, commodities, stock, metals, other stuff like cryptocurrencies. So it also supports multiple platforms like MetaTrader 4, 5, XM Web Trader, but it provides leverage, demo accounts as we just showed, and low spreads, and pretty much lots more features. So the first thing, expectedly, if you are going ahead for a real account, is to deposit your funds. So you can go ahead inside your account and just go ahead and deposit your money. This way you can be able to start your trading, of course. So you can deposit your funds, you can choose the payment method as we mentioned, and the minimum deposit depends on the account type as well. Then you can start placing your trade. So select a symbol or an instrument. You can choose the market execution or pending order. Then you can enter your lot size, your stop loss, and take profit. So it's pretty much done directly here in the trade section if you did go ahead in an order. You can also go ahead and choose whichever chart you want here, and you can go ahead and do orders directly here in the right. You could either go for a buy or sell, and make sure you have enough funds as well. There's an LOC amount here in the right. You can choose this option, the sell when price is, and then you choose, and good until whatever, and then the TP and SL as well. So you'll be able to see what that is right here, which should be the take profit and the stop loss level. Then just go ahead and press on place order. So of course you can go ahead and try doing this in your demo account. So you can do place orders and whatnot. But anyways, you can monitor your trades here. You can watch open positions in your trade tab, your pending orders and history, and of course price alerts. After that, you can analyze the markets as well using XM Trader tool, since of course it's basically an all-in-one tool itself. So you can go for technical analysis like the charts, indicators, or trend lines, fundamental analysis as well like the news, economic calendars. There's more features over here like copy trading as well, competitions apparently, and a more section. So you'll be able to see lots and lots more features you can go for. But here in the top right, there's also a profile section for you directly. There's a XM Traders Club as well, if you want to go ahead and look into that. Somewhat like a subscription supposedly, but basically how it works over here. You will be able to see the status as well. But again, if you are a beginner, you start with a demo account first. You can learn risk management like the stop losses or lot sizes, use technical and fundamental analysis for decisions, and of course try avoid over leveraging. But since it is a demo account, you can go ahead and test stop as well. If you want to finish setting up your account, you should be able to get the option over here in the top. Press on the complete, and you can go ahead and follow the process to finish setting up your account. But that's basically the main idea on how to use XM Trading, the platform itself. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more updates like this, and that's all.